Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working on the Fiero once again, and we're going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and by the title you already know we are putting new wheels onto this car. And I was so excited that I even went ahead and did it off camera. So I just picked up the camera and decided I should do it. That's why I have in a front view, because we actually already have the wheels on the car. As you can see, it's definitely not put back on the ground. You still have a jack behind it, as you can see. But we are going to, I don't even know. I just want to show you guys the wheels. I'm so excited. So here we go. Let's go over here. Without further ado, here are the new wheels. I'm kidding. If you're wondering, you can indeed fit 4 wheels and tires inside of a Volkswagen Jetta with 4 wheels that are in boxes in as well. It's a little bit of a stacking process, but it is possible. Fun fact. So behind me right here is our brand new wheel and tire setup for this car. And these are some wheels that I've been wanting for a very long time. I think they are my favorite wheels to date, but I never could actually get myself to actually buy them. But one day I just said, screw it, and I'm gonna spend the money and I'm gonna buy them. So I did, and I think these are gonna look really cool on this car. I have not seen any other Fiero with these wheels on it, and I think they're gonna look really good. They're a nice retro kind of styling, and I think it's gonna be very cool. So without further ado, why don't we bring one out? And here it is. These are Kanze KNPs. They are 17x9s with a plus 35 offset, and they are hyper silver with a polished lip. And I think these wheels are the coolest thing ever. Now, I've been wanting to change my wheels for a little bit of time. I wanted to move away from the black wheels on the car. Not that I don't like them, but I wanted to try something a little different. And these wheels have always caught my eye, and I've seen them on a bunch of different cars, and I absolutely just fell in love with them. I've never seen them on a Fiero, so I'm super excited to try them on this, and I think it's going to look super cool. The tires I have on it, I have two 1545 R17s in the front, and I have two 2545 R17s in the back. So I think these are going to look very nice, definitely better than these. But about these wheels, I actually do like these wheels. If I had these in like a 16 or a 17 or even an 18, I would definitely run these because I think they are super retro and I really like them. But they're only 15s. And they're not real saw blades, they're like American Racing, so they're actually 5x100, so they fit the Fiero. So if you want them, shoot me an offer. I don't want them, so buy them, please. I even went ahead and repainted my lug nuts all black so they all look nice, so yeah, I really want these to look nice on the car. I really can't wait anymore. So let's go ahead and get these wheels onto this car and see how it looks, because I'm tired of looking at these. And in case anyone wants to know what my suspension setup is, got KYB shocks, short springs, lowering ball joints, if you can see in there, and then I also have a dual steering stabilizer up there to help with some of the steering wheel shake. And it practically has none anymore, so that's all you need. Well, all the wheels are off and these new ones are on, but before we take a good look at it, I'm gonna pull it off of the wood, take it outside, and we're gonna look at it in the driveway to get the full effect of this, because this is kind of crazy. And here it is. And this is kind of crazy. It's kind of weird that the wheels are the cleanest thing on the car now, okay, because the car is completely filthy if you get close and see it. I definitely need to wash it, but These things are awesome. Look at the front. The front fitment is really good. It's really close. The rears, it sticks out a little too much, a lot more than I'd like. But I do have a 25mm spacer on there, so I might go ahead and take that off, or I might go ahead and get like a 10mm spacer or something like that. Something that's a lot smaller, so then it'll kind of bring that wheel in a bit and maybe have it match the front, because I would definitely like that a little bit more, which I do have a whole bunch of these 5mm spacers back here, so maybe I'll mess around with those, maybe try and get the fitment a little bit better. But these things look kind of crazy. I really love how they look on the car. But yeah, here they are. I'm gonna wash the car and maybe mess with the rear fitment a little bit, and I'll go out and get some pictures of it, and maybe I'll give you guys a little walk around once I have everything dialed in. So we'll catch back up in a few hours, and hopefully I'll have this thing all clean and have the rear fitment just a little bit better.
Much later.
Well, here it is. I just cleaned it, and I got the rear wheels sitting exactly where I wanted it. You can see it's sitting in a little more now, and I actually like how it looks now. It's not protruding at all. It's just flush with the fender, which is very nice. And I did that by taking off that 25mm spacer, and I put on a 10mm spacer. So yeah, just took off that one spacer, put on a different one, and that fixed the fitment in the back. And the fitment in the front is very nice too, so it matches the back and the front now. And this thing just looks insane. I cannot believe that this is my car. The wheels really just completely change how it looks. And that is going to do it for today's video. I know it was a little bit shorter, so I apologize to that, but I didn't really have an actual install. I just had these things to put on, and I thought I should show you guys the new wheels, because I think that they completely change how the car looks, and I actually love them. But leave a comment below to tell me how you think they look, and if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe as well. So yeah, that's all I have, so I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.